Yeah, our conversations always end up in a nosedive.
I have reviewed a lot of rugged tablets, but this Ulefone Armor Pad Pro is nothing like those. It is a compact rugged tablet with all the rugged features, and it is compatible with all the Ulefone add-on accessories. I have bought a tablet hand strap with kickstand.
Staying up till late, but we're still where we started. Same things, the same things. Yeah.
The 3-in-1 handheld rotatable bracket combines a hand grip, 360-degree, seamless switching mount, and a kickstand compatibility. Using this grip, we can use our tablet with only one hand. The hand strap is adjustable, fits the contours of our hand, and offers a secure and comfortable grip. The kickstand on the back is helpful to prop the tablet up for a better view. From the design to the performance, it is a tablet with great balance. So we can use it both in industrial environment and as well as in home or office environment. Let's start from unboxing. If you end up liking this video, then please click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Supposed to say we're sorry, but it feels like we're only talking to ourselves right now. Now,
Design language of this Ulefone Armor Pad Pro is similar to its siblings, though it has its own unique appearance thanks to that carbon fiber design and the international orange color accent. The rear camera block also doesn't have any visible bump. It has reinforced corners and protective covers for all the different pores. It is rugged all around. Ulefone Armor Pad Pro is IP68, IP69K, and military standard 810H certified. So we can use it in all different environments and scenarios. The custom key and power button are located on the right side. The fingerprint sensor is integrated into the power button. Volume rockers, uSmart port are located on the left side. There are two speakers, one on top and another at the bottom. There is a SIM tray located on top. We can insert two SIM cards along with a TF card. Type-C port, 3.5mm port and the primary microphone all are located at the bottom. Armor Pad Pro has an 8-inch IPS LCD display panel, 800 by 1280 resolution with high pixel per inch density. Yeah, Armor Pad Pro's display panel can reproduce natural colors. It is visible under bright sunlight. I have been enjoying movies and YouTube videos on this Armor Pad Pro cause the colors are very accurate. All the other standard features are there. It is also a very smooth and responsive display panel.
our conversations always end up in a nosedive. Can't see it ending any differently this time around.
There are two sensors on this Ulefone Armor Pad Pro, one at the back and another in front. We are talking about the camera sensors. The 48 megapixel rear sensor can take great photos and can record good videos. I will let you enjoy some photos with my favorite background music.
I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. Goddamn, feeling good. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life. All I gotta say is one of a kind.
Okay, the front sensor works well too. I have enjoyed video calling and Zoom meetings.
It's been a while since I ran into you on a street. I wonder if you moved. Hope everything is going amazing for you. And you're not feeling blue. I feel the rain pour down my face, but that's alright. I smile.
Armor Pad Pro has 8GB of RAM on board and we can expand that with another 8GB of virtual RAM. Not only the RAM can be expanded, we can also expand the storage. It has 128GB of built-in storage. Using the TF card slot, we can expand the storage up to 2TB. Ulefone Armor Pad Pro is powered by a MediaTek MT8788 It is actually a Helio P60. It is a very capable mid-range SoC. I have never felt like the processor is taking time to process any input. When it comes down to playing games, yeah, we can play games on this Armor Pad Pro. Me and my girlfriend, we have played some graphics intensive games and enjoyed the gaming sessions on this Armor Pad Pro. Well, I need to mention you may not be able to play graphics intensive games with high graphics settings, but almost all the games are playable, and considering the price, the performance is beyond expectations. It's way better than its competitors.
Staying up till late, but we're still where we started.
Armor Pad Pro is equipped with a 7650 mAh battery pack which offers more than 13 hours of screen on time. Ulefone claims that we can put this Armor Pad Pro in standby mode for 414 hours. That's ludicrous. I don't know why someone would put his, her or their tablet for such a long time in standby mode. Personally, I am using it as my daily drive for navigation, video calls, random gaming, and all the other general stuff. I can say without any hesitation, battery performance is phenomenal. Anyway, once the battery gets fully drained, we can recharge the tablet using the provided 18-watt charger, and the charger doesn't take a long time to refuel the battery pack. The stereo speaker setup of Ulefone Armor Pad Pro goes very loud. It delivers bright and clear sound. I have no complaint about the sound quality. I will let you listen to some music, you decide by yourself.
Yeah, she might be pretty, but I promise it gets scary. When she wants your daddy and she finds out where you live. Creeping in the shadows, eating poisoned apples. She's nothing like you ever seen.
Ulefone Armor Pad Pro comes with a proprietary port, where we can attach many different plug-and-play devices. Ulefone has many different accessories and tools. All of those accessories support this uSmart expansion connector. All the accessories are plug-and-play. We don't even need to download anything. We don't have to go through any hassle. So it's really very easy to use. And all of the accessories are really pretty helpful. We can use the accessories either in work environment or in home environment, because these are not only very helpful but truly plug and play. Armor Pad Pro runs on Android 13 out of the box. It offers smooth performance. If I have forgotten to mention, well, Armor Pad Pro also has NFC. When it comes to biometrics, both the side-mounted fingerprint sensor and the face unlock option works fast and fine.
We're at the point where we're supposed to say we're sorry, but it feels like we're only talking to ourselves right now.
Well, that's all about this Ulefone Armor Pad Pro. I have left a link in the description box. Go ahead, check the product. But before you go and check the Armor Pad Pro, one request. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.